Ulampang ke ïing dorbar thau ain ke jela u Thomas isang ma mentangasngi ka khatlai trik ulber ajar pulai ulalek bonjurep ika ïing dorbar hakba ka jingtrai kadang ya chat hamau diang. Hakane ka jinglet bonjurep ya ulampang la senran langru daki officer ke assembly lambat ki officer ka tanat PWD. Haba kran silat patai kubor ulampang ke ïing dorbar ulai thu puun sabetha ek IIT Guwahati ban penstat na ka banta ban yo ai no ka jing menjur na ka banta udom bathamai. Ulampang ubadairu chairman jong ka high powered committee ulaong bau haban shim na karai ka pating na ka banta ban pentikna baka ïing dorbar kan dep hakapor balabu.
Today myself and all the officers of from PWD and from the contractor side also and from speaker's office also, we have come here for the spot inspection of this assembly building which is being constructed. And first and foremost thing is that the design for the dome structure for the main hall, assembly hall, has not been approved yet. That's what we have come to know, and the decision that we have taken is that we will write to the IIT Guwahati to speed up or expedite the approval of the dome new design for the dome structure, and we will work on it, and we will also call the design associates which has prepared the master plan and the design for the entire building and the entire premises. So we will call them within this week and we will take a decision further. So now these are the main things that we have decided, and also we have to reconstitute the high-powered committee for this completion of this assembly building. So these are the few decisions that we have taken today. That we can only come to know when finally the design associates, the contractors and the executing agency, which is the PWD, state PWD, along with the contractors, I have asked them to sit together and decide what are the requirements, what are the further requirements here. Only after their meeting and sitting of the HPC, we will be able to understand. We will be able to give them the timeline actually.
Final question: so, what is the additional amount required for the construction of this?
That also we have not been able to come out with that, because only after the executing agencies, the PWDs and the officials sit together and submit the proposals to us, then only we will be able to tell you how much more fund will be required to complete this project.
So who all the part of the meeting today within this policy?
We have chief engineer from PWD buildings and all their officers, SEs, additional chief, executive engineer, and commissioner secretary and secretaries from the and also from the construction site, the contractors are also there. As chairman of the high power committee, heading this high power committee, I think it will be a big role for me to come out with some hard decisions and to ensure that this assembly building is completed within the stipulated time.